आप खेलते हैं?
You play.
आप नहीं खेलते हैं?
You don't play.
आप क्या खेलते हैं?
What do you play?
आप खेल सकते हैं?
You can play.
आप नहीं खेल सकते हैं?
You cannot play.
आपको खेलना चाहिए।
You should play.
आप खेल सकते थे?
You could play.
क्या आप खेल सकते थे?
Could you play?
आप क्या खेल सकते थे?
What could you play?
आप क्या खेल सकते हैं?
What can you play?
आप क्या खेलेंगे?
What will you play?
वह कहाँ जाएगा?
Where he is?
वह कहाँ जाएगा?
Where he will go?
वेयर विल ही?
Where will he go?
आपके पिताजी क्या करते हैं?
What does your father do?
आप क्या करते हैं?
What do you do? What do you do?
आप क्या कर रहे थे?
What was you doing?
What were you doing?
What were you doing?
आप क्या कर सकते हैं?
What can you do?
आप क्या कर सकते थे?
What could you do?
आप क्या कर सकते हैं?
What can you do?
आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
What are you doing?
आप क्या कर रहे थे?
What were you doing?
He plays football.
Football is played by him.
He does not play football.
Football is not played by him.
Does he play football?
Is football played by him?
Does he not play football?
Is football not played by him?
Where does he play football?
Where is football played by him?
Where does he not play football?
Where is football not played by him?
He is playing football.
Football is being played by him.
He is not playing football.
Football is not being played by him.
Is he playing football?
Is football being played by him?
Is he not playing football?
Is football not being played by him?
Why is he playing football?
Why is football being played by him?
Why is he not playing football?
Why is football not being played by him?
He has played football.
Football has been played by him.
He has not played football.
Football has not been played by him.
Has he played football?
Has football been played by him?
Has he not played football?
Has football not been played by him?
Why has he played football?
Why has football been played by him?
Why has he not played football?
Why has football not been played by him?
He have played football.
Football was played by him.
He was not. He did not play football.
Football was not played by him.
Did he play football?
Was football being played by him?
Been.
Was football played by him?
Did he not play football?
Was football not played by him?
Why does he play football? Why did he play football?
Why was football played by him?
Why did he not play football?
Why was football not played by him?
He was playing football.
Was being played by him.
He was not playing football.
Football was not being played by him.
Was he playing football?
Was football being played by him?
Was he not playing football?
Was football not being played by him?
Where was he playing football?
Where was football being played by him?
Where was he not playing football?
Where was football not being played by him?
He had played football.
Football had been played by him.
He had not played football.
Football had not been played by him.
Had he played football?
Had football been played by him?
Had he not played football?
Had football not been played by him?
How had he played football?
How had football been played by him?
How had he not played football?
How had football not been played by him?
He will play football.
Football will be played by him.
He will not play football.
Football will not be played by him.
Will he play football?
Will football be played by him?
Will he not play football?
Will football not be played by him?
How will he play football?
How will football be played by him?
How will he not play football?
How will football not be played by him?
He will have played football.
Football will have been played by him.
He will not have played football.
Football will not have been played by him.
Will he have played football?
Will football have been played by him?
Will he not have played football?
Will football not have been played by him?
मैं खाना पकाता हूँ।
I cook.
मैं खाना नहीं पकाता हूँ।
I don't cook.
क्या मैं खाना पकाता हूँ?
Do I cook?
क्या मैं खाना नहीं पकाता हूँ?
Do I not cook?
मैं खाना क्यों पकाता हूँ?
Why do I cook?
मैं खाना क्यों नहीं पकाता हूँ?
Why do I not cook?
आप खाना पकाते हैं।
You are cook.
You cook.
You cook.
आप खाना नहीं पकाते हैं।
You don't cook.
क्या आप खाना पकाते हैं?
Do you cook?
क्या आप खाना नहीं पकाते हैं?
Do you not cook?
आप खाना क्यों पकाते हैं?
Why do you cook?
आप खाना क्यों नहीं पकाते हैं?
Why do you not cook?
हम खाना पकाते हैं।
We
cook.
cook.
हम खाना नहीं पकाते हैं।
We don't cook.
क्या हम खाना पकाते हैं?
Do we cook?
क्या हम खाना नहीं पकाते हैं?
Do we not cook?
हम खाना क्यों पकाते हैं?
Why do you cook?
Why do we?
Why do we cook?
हम खाना क्यों नहीं पकाते हैं?
Why do we not cook?
वह खाना पकाता है। He cooks.
He cooks.
वह खाना नहीं पकाता है।
He don't cook.
He doesn't.
He doesn't cook.
क्या वह खाना पकाता है?
Does he cook?
क्या वह खाना नहीं पकाता है?
Does he not cook?
वह खाना क्यों पकाता है?
Why does he cook?
वह खाना क्यों नहीं पकाता है?
Why does he not cook?
वह खाना पकाती है।
She cooks.
वह खाना नहीं पकाती है।
She does cook.
She does not.
She does not cook.
क्या वह खाना पकाती है?
Does she cook?
क्या वह खाना नहीं पकाती है?
Does she not cook?
वह खाना क्यों पकाती है?
Why does she cook?
वह खाना क्यों नहीं पकाती है?
Why does she not cook?
वे खाना पकाते हैं।
They cook.
वे खाना नहीं पकाते हैं।
They don't cook.
क्या वे खाना पकाते हैं?
Do they cook?
क्या वे खाना नहीं पकाते हैं?
They do not cook.
वे खाना क्यों पकाते हैं?
Why do cook? Why
do
do
they
they cook?
वे खाना क्यों नहीं पकाते हैं?
Why do they not cook?
मुझे खाने में 10 मिनट लगते हैं।
I take 10 minutes to eat.
मुझे पानी पीने में 5 मिनट लगते हैं।
I take 5 minutes to drink water.
मुझे नहाने में आधे घंटे लगते हैं।
I take half an hour to take bath.
मुझे होमवर्क करने में 1 घंटे लगते हैं।
I take 1 hour to do homework.
आपको तैयार होने में 10 मिनट लगते हैं।
You take 10 minutes to get ready.
आपको सफाई करने में आधे घंटे लगते हैं।
You take half an hour to clean.
आपको झाड़ू लगाने में 5 मिनट लगते हैं।
You take 5 minutes to sweep.
आपको खेलने में 1 घंटे लगते हैं।
You take 1 hour to play.
अभी भी समय है अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख लीजिए।
There is still time learn to speak English.
अभी भी समय है मेहनत कीजिए।
There is still time work hard.
अभी भी समय है अपनी गलती सुधार लीजिए।
There is still time
Improve your mistake.
improve your mistake.
अभी भी समय है पढ़ाई कीजिए।
There is still time study.
अभी भी समय है परीक्षा पास कीजिए।
There is still time pass the exam.
अभी भी समय है खेल में शामिल हो जाइए।
There is still time participate in the game.
अभी भी समय है आराम कीजिए।
There is still time take rest.
अभी भी समय है लिखाई सुधार लीजिए।
There is still time improve your writing.
अभी भी समय है कुछ काम कीजिए।
There is still time work something.
अभी भी समय है टिकट ले लीजिए।
There is still time book a ticket.
अभी भी समय है सफलता पा लीजिए।
There is still time
अचीव सक्सेस।
achieve success.
अभी भी समय है दूसरों की मदद कीजिए।
There is still time help others.
अभी भी समय है खेल में खत्म कीजिए।
There is still time
फिनिश द गेम।
finish the
अभी
game.
भी समय है संदेश भेज दीजिए।
There is still time send message.
अभी भी समय है अंग्रेजी बोलने का अभ्यास कीजिए।
There is still time practice to speak English.
अभी भी समय है जल्दी उठिए।
There is still time wake up early.
अभी भी समय है गलती मान लीजिए।
There is still time
अभी भी समय है माता पिता से मिल लीजिए।
There is still time meet your parents.